we started Navya Fashions. Actually, my dad started Navya Fashions in 2008, long back, and we are into fabric manufacturing. We work with a lot of corporates. We also work with Shahi Exports. We work with IKEA. We also make fabrics for Indian defense, like many special purpose fabrics which are used into tents, and so we are more working with all those corporates and bigger brands, and yeah, we are always more precise about the quality rather than working more into the quantity. So what I feel is quality is something which is the most important property of anything you're dealing with, whether it's your life, it's into products, it's into everything. Quality is the most important thing, which is what I believe, which our company believes into. So yes, like we have checkpoints at every different points in the company as well, and we make sure that we provide a less quantity but a very nice quality of work to the buyers, so that we build a long-term relationship with them, because you can compromise with quality, but then that work doesn't go as long-term. So doing anything long-term, quality is the main thing I feel is very important.
ये तो अभी बहुत कुछ चेंज हो रहा है साहब। हमने तो मतलब मेरा तो स्टार्टिंग ही यहीं से हुआ है, बच्चों से ही देखा है, और मेन यही देखते हैं उस चीज़ को। मैं तो अकाउंट्स को डील करता हूँ ओनली, बाकी मैन्युफैक्चर और क्वालिटी वगैरह सारे ये डील करते हैं।
Yes, this is a first experience for me, so I'm really excited and looking forward to have a great time. And I'm really thankful to Quality Mark Awards that they've given us this opportunity and recognized our work.
Can we please have the AV?
Navya Fashions Private Limited was established in 2008 and is a leading manufacturer of shirting, suiting, home textiles and fabrics for Indian defense. Navya Fashions Private Limited is equipped with state-of-the-art sizing and weaving facility and is being run by highly experienced and qualified professionals, which results into a long-term trusted relationship with all their customers. They are soon coming up with truly sustainable, herbal dyed and treated, internationally patented fabrics which will be unique on the planet. Quality Mark Awards 2023 for textile category goes to Navya Fashions Private Limited.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and actually this award goes to my dad. He has bought the industry where it is today, and like he's so dedicated about his work that today also on Sunday he's working somewhere else so that we could win this award. So I'm like really happy and excited, and I'll make sure that next time he comes to receive an award and I become the reason for it. Like it's an amazing feeling, like a feeling of achieving something great. Like when your hard work pays off, it's always a great feeling. So really happy. And getting the award from Mr. Gulshan Grover itself is like it's like a dream come true. So really happy.